Build dashboards in minutes with Elldy. In this video, we're going to show you how to build a dashboard in just minutes using Elldy. Elldy is an AI-powered data and business intelligence platform that helps you transform raw data into meaningful insights and make smarter business decisions. To get started, create your free account and log in. Next, simply import, upload, or drag and drop your Excel or CSV files. As your files upload, Elldy's AI agent automatically prepares your data by cleaning, organizing, and structuring it without complex setup or technical expertise. Once your data is ready, you'll be taken directly to the Analysis Workspace where you can explore your data, identify business patterns, discover trends, and uncover valuable insights. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore the Analysis Workspace in detail. But in this video, we're focusing on how to build a dashboard in just minutes. To create your dashboard, go back to the home page and select Dashboard. On the dashboard page, you'll find the AI Build option. Simply click it, and that's it. Your interactive dashboard is ready in minutes. But Elldy doesn't just build dashboards. With the built-in Elldy Analyst, you get clear explanations of your dashboard, including key trends, important metrics, patterns, and actionable insights, helping you understand exactly what's happening in your data. We've included a sample dataset in the description below so you can build your own dashboard with Elldy. You can also preview the dashboard featured in this video using the dashboard link in the description. Download the sample dataset, explore the dashboard, and experience how easy it is to turn your Excel or CSV files into actionable insights with Elldy.